Let us solve model question paper 1 of mathematics, which is issued by Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board. Let us solve the problems from arithmetic progression, since we are doing chapter wise revision. It is a must watch video for SSLC students as it contains solution also. Before going to solve the questions, let us recollect the important points. Totally 9 marks question appear from this chapter. Very easy questions if we understand the concept. An arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number d to the preceding term, except the first term. The fixed number d is called the common difference. Nth term of an AP, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, n is the number of terms, and d is the common difference. General form of an AP is a plus d, a plus 2d, a plus 3d, and so on. A plus n minus 1 into d is the last term or nth term. First term is a, second term is a plus d, third term is a plus 2d. Fourth term is a plus 3d, and so on. D is a2 minus a1, which is also is equal to a3 minus a2, which is also is equal to a4 minus a3. Sum of n terms of an AP, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where a is the first term, n is the number of terms, d is the common difference. When a and d are given, you can use this formula to find the sum. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l when the first term a and the last term number of terms and the last term l is given. Sum of the first n positive integers, for example 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on, can be get by Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. By using this formula, we can find the sum of any number of terms, continuous terms. For example, sum of all numbers from 1 to 100 can be get by 100 into 101 by 2. This is one more question, second question in the question paper. Nth term of an arithmetic progression is an is equal to 4n plus 5. Then the third term is, within a second we can solve it. In the place of n, we can put 3 here. So 4 into 3, 12, 12 plus 5, 17 is the answer. Find the 25th term of an arithmetic progression 2, 6, 10, 14. Here given items are AP 2, 6, 10, 14. A is 2, D is 4. It can be, you can write like this also: 6 minus 2, 4, 10 minus 6, 4, 14 minus 10, 4. So D is 4. N is 25. We have to find sum of 25 terms. So no, not sum. 25th term, so A25 we have to find. You have to use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, since we have to find nth term. Instead of an, we have to put a25, a is 2 here, n is 25 minus 1 into d is 4 here. We can solve this one. 25 minus 1, 24. 24 into 4 is 96. So A25 is 2 plus 96, that is 96, that is 98 is the answer. This is 2 marks question. 2 plus 2 plus 1. 5 marks question we are solving now. Okay. Here internal choice is there. Let us solve both. But in the exam, the easiest one you have to solve. Find the sum of first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression 3, 8, 13 using the formula. What are given here? AP 3, 8, 13 dash dash dash. Here A is equal to 3, D is equal to 5, N is equal to 20. 8 minus 3, 5. 13 minus 8, 5. So D is 5. To find S20, sum of 20 terms, we have to use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. In the place of Sn, S20, n by 2, 20 by 2, 2 into 3, n minus 1, 20 minus 1, d 5. 20 by 2 is 10, 2 into 3 is 6, 20 minus 1 is 19 into 5. 19 into 5 is 95, 95 plus 6 is 101. 101 into 10 is 1010. So the answer is 1010. Find the sum of first 30 positive integers divisible by 6. The positive integers divisible by 6 are 6, 12, 18. This is an example for an AP. Here A is equal to 6, D is equal to 6, N is equal to 30. To find S30. Formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here Sn is S30, n by 2 is 30 by 2, 2a, 2 into 6, n minus 1, 29, 30 minus 1 into 6. This is 15, this is 12, 30 minus 1, 29, 29 into 6 is 174. You have to add 12 and 174, that is 186. 15 into 186 is 2790. So the answer is this one. Arithmetic progression consists of 37 terms. The sum of first 3 terms of it is 12 and the sum of the last 3 terms is 318. Then find the first and last terms of the progression. Means 37th term we have to find and the first term A and A37 we have to find. 4 marks question. Given are AP, N is 37, sum of first 3 terms 12, sum of last 3 terms 318. We are given, we have to find first term and 37th term. Sum of first 3 terms is 12. So A plus D plus A plus 2D is equal to 12. We have to collect all the A's here, that is equal to 3A, D's, that is 3D is equal to 12. We can take out the 3 here because 3 is common here. A plus D is equal to 4, which is equation number 1. Sum of last 3 terms is 318, that is equal to A35 plus A36 plus A37 is 37 is the last term from the last 3 terms 318. A37 is A plus 36D. A36 is A plus 35D. A35 is A plus 34D, that is equal to 318. We have to collect all the A's here, that is 3A plus D's here, that is 105. You have to add 34, 35, 36. That is equal to 318. common is 3. We have to take out 3. A plus 35d is equal to 106. That is the second equation. Solving a plus d is equal to 4, the first equation. A plus 35d is the second equation. 35d is equal to 106, the second equation. When we solve, we get d as 3. You already know simultaneous linear equation or linear pair of equation. You know it. Very easy. Here 34d is equal to 102. So d is equal to 3. Putting d is equal to 3 in 1, we get a as 1. So first term we got. First term is a1. We have to find the last term, a37. Here d is equal to 3. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Instead of a37, a1 n minus 1, 36, 37 minus d 3. 5 minus 1, 37 minus 1, 36. 36 into 3, that is equal to 108. That is equal to 109. That is the answer here. Next question, sum of 7 terms of an arithmetic progression is 140 and the sum of the next 7 terms of the same progression is 385. Then find the arithmetic progression. Given S7 is sum of first 7 terms. 140, next 7 means S14 minus S7. You have to think. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 like that if you are very weak in mathematics. Otherwise 7 plus 7, 14 you can do. That is 385 to find AP. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Instead of Sn we have to put S7. N 7 by 2, a we don't know, 7 minus 1 into d, that has been given 140. 7 by 2, we can transpose it here. I will transpose. You can observe here 2 goes here, 7 20s, so 20 into 2, that is equal to 40. I won't remove 2 common here. It will be very useful in the next step. This is the first equation. Then S14 minus S7 we are given, isn't it? That is 387. S7 we know 140. We have to transpose 140 to that side, which becomes 385 plus 140, that is equal to 525. So we can use the formula Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Instead of n we can put 14, n by 14 by 2, 2a, we don't know a, n minus 1, 14 minus 1 into d, that is equal to 525. 14 by 2 is 7 here, for 14 minus 1 is 13 here. 7 we can transpose to this side, means right hand side. 525 by 7, that is equal to 2a plus 13d is equal to 75, which is the second equation. Now we have to solve the first and second equation. 2a plus 6d is equal to 40, first equation. 2a plus 13d is 75, that is second equation. When we solve this, we get d as 5. So putting d in 1, we get a is also 5. So therefore the AP, first term is 5, 5 plus 5, common difference 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20.